ladies and gentlemen. Today is something a little different.
And now for something completely different.
How about a 1960 Bugeye, or Frogeye if you're in the UK. They call them Bugeyes here in the United States, just like we call every Mini a Mini Cooper. Anyway, they're called Bugeyes in the US and they're called Frogeyes in the UK. So let's go for a ride. The only reason that this car is in this shop is one, it has an A-Series engine, and B, because my friend Brent begged me to. So I did this as a favor to him. And sharing the A-Series engine with the Mini, well, we have all the parts for it. So that's kind of what we did. The carburetor, we call it the Jet Master Kit intake assembly. We call it an assembly because it's more than just a carburetor. It's the manifold, the abutment bracket, the spacer, the throttle cable, the air cleaner, it's everything. Oh, goes pretty good. So, we also did the Jet Motors Ultimate Ignition Upgrade. And we like to set the timing at about anywhere from 28 to 32 degrees at 4,000 RPM. And that gets the ignition timing right on the money. So between the new intake assembly and the ignition system, she is happy. She sings. Now this is pretty fun. I think the Sprite came out in 1959. This one is a 1960. And I was thoroughly entertained just recently, I think a day or two ago. Jay Leno just did a Jay's Garage on his personal Bugeye Sprite. Boy, it goes pretty good. This does not have the 948 motor that it originally came with. This is a 1275. We just rebuilt the cylinder head as well. We put some bigger valves in it and ported the intake and exhaust a little bit. And then, of course, put the carburetor and the distributor in it. Wow, boy, it's pretty fun. Whee! Well, at least on a day like this, I'm not getting wet. And I'm not getting sunburned. If you own one of these cars, you better have a hat. The shifter is really short. Oh, here, check out the turn signals. Don't forget to turn them off. Now this is pretty fun. Very mechanical. There is no aids or helpers in this thing. These are actually very competitive race cars too. I've seen some awfully fast Sprites out at the racetrack. It's remarkable how much you can get out of one of these things. Well, there you go. That was your ride along in a 1960 Bugeye Sprite. That's fun to say. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. We'll see you on something else. Bye. see if I can get out.